Okay, good afternoon, everyone, and happy Friday. It is your friend, Desert Gino, and I want to show you this monsoon that is rolling in. Right now, you're looking out at Las Vegas, and it is coming down really strong on the strip. That is for sure. Yeah, so if you look out right over here, normally you would see the strip. But yeah, it's all rain. And earlier, it was raining really hard here at the house. You can see the pool. It's interesting. It's pouring down right now in most of Las Vegas. And here, it's sunny. And if you haven't seen my video, take a look at the construction site. It's just right over there. I covered that. And I'm more interested now with the storm and the sun. It's finally gone behind the clouds. It was really warm. Oh, I can smell the creosote, everyone. The creosote bush. And it's just a matter of moments before the rain starts coming down. Yeah. I'm going to move right over here so you can take a look at the rain over here. And it looks like, okay, so it looks like right now it's probably raining a little north of the 215, so the Brucewood Berry. Or I should say west, not north of it. I hear some thunder. Hold on. I just got to go check on one quick thing. One quick thing, everybody. I knew it, everybody. I knew it. All right, so it's starting to come down just a little. All right. It's about to really start pouring, everybody. Oh, yeah. Okay, whoa. There we go. Oh. Yeah, it's really starting to rain. It's storming. That's right, everyone. Here in Las Vegas, it is raining. Yeah, it is storming. Better close the door. I'd show you the pool, but it's blowing in. I don't want to get wet, everyone. It's a decent rain. Yeah. Oh man, my socks are getting soaked. There's the thunder. There's the thunder, yeah. Wow. It is coming down. Yeah, here in Las Vegas, I'm gonna go right over here. I'm gonna get a little wet. It's hard to tell that it's raining right now from this angle. Oh, and there's Red Rock, everybody. Yeah. Downtown Summerlin. Yeah, wow. Whoa. Yeah, so this is a really good downpour. I'm really satisfied with this because I was complaining about how dismal this monsoon season is. Maybe it's just arrived late. Maybe that's what's happening. It's raining pretty good. Yeah. And it's still pouring down on the Las Vegas Strip. The Strip, if you've seen my videos, would be right here. You can't see it because of all the rain. You can't see the Black Mountain. And I have to take off my socks. They're soaked. Yeah, it's raining in Las Vegas, everybody. Well, it's starting to clear up. So the storm, it looks like it's moving east, possibly. Because now, as mentioned prior, there's Red Rock and it's looking clearer. And I can start to see a little bit of the Strip. A little bit. It's starting to clear up. Huh. Well, that was a nice downpour. Yeah, it's clearing up, everybody. My socks are wet. Yeah, so the video I made, actually I made two. One is just driving around and the other one is a little bit more of exploring. It's right there. You can see the homes being framed. Right there. All right. So, yeah, it's clearing up. And this is Red Rock right here. You can see Red Rock. I think that might do it for at least the next 10-15 minutes. It looks like something is moving in as well. Yeah, and the sun is starting to come out. Well, anyway, it's really nice out, and I'm happy to share that with everyone. Yeah. Yeah, the storm is passing. Yeah. It's raining out in Henderson now, so the storm is moving east. So if you're driving on US 95, you're probably going to be experiencing some rain right about now. Prim got a lot of rain. They were talking about it on the news. And yeah, you can start to see the strip a little bit better. Yeah. All right, so if you are on your way over to Las Vegas this weekend, expect some rain, that's for sure. But I don't think it's going to be lasting much longer. Really, I wasn't expecting much today as well. Started off kind of overcast and then rainy. You can see the palms right there, Bellagio. Mandalay Bay, Luxor, Legion Stadium. All right, so I'm going to cut the video. There might be some rain continuing probably in the next 10-15 minutes. Regardless, though, it's always nice when it rains. The smell of the creosote bush, that classic desert rain smell. All right, everyone. I will see you on the next video, wherever that may be. So be sure to subscribe, turn the notification on for my channel. That way, when I release videos, you'll be the first to know of the video being released, as well as when I do decide to go live as well, because I do enjoy doing live videos and having a real-time exchange as well. I have a lot of additional videos I plan on making covering a wide variety of Las Vegas content. So thank you again for coming along. Bye.